Hello guys, I am begging you to get things in place now before it's too late. I know I keep saying that things aren't too bad and I get a lot of flack for that. But guys, it hasn't gotten so bad that you can't get things in order right now. I went to the grocery store today. Bread has gone up from 83 cents to 93 cents last month, and now it's $1. So yes, it has gone up. What is that? 17% in less than 8 weeks. Things are starting to rise. I did notice several things at Walmart that were probably, it looks like Walmart might be raising their prices about 20% overall on all their stuff. But it doesn't mean you still can't prepare and get ready, and I really think you should do it now. What do I think you need to get done? You need to get a stockpile of food, 3 months to a year, or however much you can get. Just get something in place. If you watch my show about the secret that preppers aren't telling you, in that I said you're not preparing, you're just giving yourself more time. The more you can get prepared right now, the more time you will have when things go really south. Then you're going to have to figure out what to do next. But you can at least eat and you can at least clothe your family and keep your family warm while you're figuring that out. What else can you do? Get all your debt paid off. I know I keep preaching about this. But do you know why? This will be the 6th recession that I have had in my lifetime. And you want to know what? I never noticed ever that there was even a problem. Recessions never affected us. Why? Because we were living frugally in the first place. We did not have car loans. We did not have student loans. We did not have credit card debt. We did not have a mortgage that we couldn't afford that was way over our heads. We always made sure that we kept our finances in order. And even when we didn't have things stockpiled and ready to go, we were totally debt-free with the exception of our house. We did have some debt the first 5 years of our marriage from Mike when we got married, had some credit card debt, and then we had some medical bills with my daughter. And we had one car accident that we couldn't pay for, so we put that $2,500 to buy a new car on a credit card. But after that first 5 years of our marriage, when we finally got our act together, the only debt we had was our mortgage. And then we started paying as much as we could every month, even if it was just $10. We kept paying it until 2019. We totally got 100% debt-free, our house paid off and everything. And then we went to Europe and celebrated for 7 months on a trip to Europe because we had no debt. So we could pay cash for it, and we did pay cash for it. So it is imperative that you become debt-free. The next thing is I would stock up on things like shoes and jeans and sweaters and t-shirts, anything like that. I would stock up. I would go 1 to 2 years older than what you have for kids right now. You can easily do this very cheaply at the thrift store. I mean, you could stock up for 2 kids easily at garage sales for $25 or $30. And have a really good wardrobe for your kids for the next couple of years. Do not get persnickety. Used shoes are fine. Even for kids, I get used underwear and just bleach them. It's no big deal. And I know people are going to be saying, oh, that's gross. Listen, you got to do what you got to do to survive. And you have to get your house in order. And I mean literally. Go through and get everything organized so you know what you have and you know what you need to buy. That way you can be watching at garage sales and watching at thrift stores to get those things that you need. It is time to stop messing around. You still have time to prepare. It hasn't gotten so bad that you can't do anything at all right now. Sell those cars and pay for a car with cash, even if it's clunker. And don't give me that baloney about how you're gonna have to do so many repairs on a used car. It's just a lie, straight from the pit of hell. I have a video down in the description below that Mike and I did on that. Stop listening to those lies. Next, you're gonna have to change your eating habits. If you are eating out, if you are drinking booze, All of those things have got to stop so that you can put that money in stocking up and getting your debts paid off. It is not too late. You still have time, but it's going to be up to you if you make the decision to do it or not. Thank you for watching our entire video. We are going to give you our Dining on a Dime cookbook ebook, volume number 1, free at livingonadime.com. Click on our shop, click on our ebooks, click on Dining on a Dime volume 1, add it to your cart. When you go to checkout, use the coupon code DINING1 and you will get our ebook absolutely free with no obligation and no strings attached. Please go watch this video next on how to help yourself fight inflation and visit us at livingonadime.com. We will see you guys next time.